Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone the other, then go to keypad and let me start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, this code will provide you with email numbers. Tap on OK and that's it. So that's all for the first one. Another code, truly useful, is *##, double to 5, ###. And as you can see, this code shows calendar details. So all calendars that you've got connected with your device, all the events saved in those calendars would be displayed right here. So from now on, you would be always up to date. Let me go back then. And the third code that I want to show you is *##, 4 to 6, *##. And as you can see here, we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. When you want to see a bit more, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got the details. And that's it. Actually, these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.